Hello and welcome to this video about AI, artificial intelligence. AI is one of the most exciting fields in technology today, with the potential to revolutionize the way we live, work, and communicate. In this video, we'll explore what AI is, how it works, and what the future of AI might look like. What is AI? AI is a broad term that refers to the development of machines that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as understanding natural language, recognizing images, and making decisions based on data. The goal of AI is to create machines that can learn and improve over time, without human intervention. How does AI work? AI works by using algorithms, which are sets of instructions that tell a computer how to solve a particular problem. These algorithms are designed to recognize patterns in data and make predictions based on that data. The more data an algorithm has access to, the better it can learn and make predictions. One of the most common types of AI is machine learning, which involves training a computer to recognize patterns in data by feeding it large amounts of information. Another type of AI is deep learning, which uses artificial neural networks to simulate the way the human brain works. What are the applications of AI? AI has a wide range of applications, from self-driving cars and virtual assistants to medical diagnosis and fraud detection. In the future, AI could be used to solve some of the world's biggest problems, such as climate change and poverty. What are the ethical implications of AI? As with any new technology, AI raises ethical questions about privacy, security, and the impact on jobs. There are concerns that AI could be used to automate jobs, leading to mass unemployment, and that it could be used to create autonomous weapons that could harm humans. Conclusion. In conclusion, AI is a fascinating field that has the potential to transform our world in ways we can't even imagine. While there are concerns about the ethical implications of AI, there is no doubt that this technology has the potential to improve our lives in countless ways. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has given you a better understanding of AI and its potential. Kindly subscribe my channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.